Did you know that there's a unique rotating boat lift in Scotland that looks like a giant Ferris wheel for ships? This engineering marvel is truly one of a kind, allowing vessels to be transported between canals in a matter of minutes. Situated in the heart of Scotland, this incredible structure is the sole rotating boat lift on the planet. By utilizing this innovative system, boats can seamlessly transition from one canal to another, resulting in a remarkable time savings of approximately 3 hours per journey. The ingenious design and advanced technology behind this rotating lift have revolutionized water-based transportation in the region.